In this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move files between Dropbox folders. So as you can see here, we are in a Dropbox folder, and within this folder, there's files. There's also subfolders. So in order to move files to any subfolder in your Dropbox or any other folder, what you want to do is just go ahead and check each file that you would like to move. So in this case, we're going to be moving all of the files of this lady whose name is Allison P. Lowe. She's a health and wellness holistic coach, and she was interviewed on this podcast, and we need to drop all of her files into the episode 31 folder. So I'm just going to go through, check all these times that I see this specific interview. It's this one as well. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to come up to the top, look for these three little dots, click those three dots, and there's an option called move. All right, so I'm just going to click on move, and here I get to select whatever folder I'd like to move these files to. So in this case, I'm going to scroll down and I'm looking for episode 31 clips. I'm going to highlight, select that folder, and then I can go ahead and click move. Now, if you're trying to move it out of this folder into some other folder, you can go ahead and navigate backwards on your file path menu and select whatever folder you want in Dropbox. Once you're done, just click move. You'll see that at the bottom, there's this little icon that's saying, moving 9 videos in this case. You can navigate away from this page. You can hang out. Sometimes it takes longer than other times, depending on the file sizes. But there you can see we have successfully moved 9 items to episode 31 clips. So they disappear from, this master folder, right? And if we scroll down and we look inside episode 31 clips, well, we're going to see all those videos that we decided to move. So hopefully that helped. If you have any questions, just drop them below. We'll get them answered.